Hello guys! Welcome back sa ating channel. Today's video is all about hair transformation when I changed my look from this to this. What's my secret for that hair transformation? Watch this video until the end. Paano ba nangyari yan na ang buhok ko ay super wavy at hindi na po ako nagpa-reband ulit kasi gusto ko nang ilabas ang natural hair ko without the use of any chemical. I will be sharing ang aking bagong nabili, ang MAC Styler MC2098. It comes with a manual. Ito po ang kanyang manual, ang guide po kung paano siya gamitin, how to take care, precautionary measures. It also has its very convenient casing if you don't want to bring the box with you. Madali lang po siyang ilagay sa ating mga bag. Kung meron tayong mga events na pupuntahan at gamitin natin siya. Pagkakaalam ko, ang MAC lang talaga ay lipstick, but meron palang MAC flat iron na para sa buhok. Titanium plus Smart Technology Styling Iron 1 inch. New titanium multi-purpose styling iron with smart technology, heats up in seconds, straightens, creates curl, adds movement and volume. Smart technology with innovative digital touch and swipe interface features, locking and unlocking temperature control, Fahrenheit to Celsius conversion, sleep mode and automatic shut off. Dual voltage with travel lock feature is excellent for international travel. New long-lasting tourmaline diamond infused plates for maximum conditioning effects and silky smooth, frizz-free, shiny hair. Experience the power of precision control with this unique styling iron that has features that are similar to your smartphone. The innovative control panel with touch interface allows you to adjust all control settings with a mere touch or swipe of your fingers. It provides the ultimate in hair styling control with ionic conditioning to ensure that you achieve optimum frizz-free results with an incredible, healthy-looking shine. Eco-friendly automatic shut-off is activated if the styling iron is not used within 35-minute period. Increases the longevity of the iron, saves energy, and promotes safety. This is digital, so makikita po natin dito ang temperature po ng ating flat iron is very convenient kasi swipe lang po to unlock, magagamit na natin siya. Ang maximum temperature niya is 396 Fahrenheit po. Depende po kung gaano ka thick or manipis ang buhok mo. Hold this one down like that and it will open. Malapad po ang kanyang plates, especially if you have thick hair. Lahat ng strands ng ating hair ay kanyang mas straighten because of its very wide po ang kanyang plates. Warning signs dito para po tayo ay magiging safe. Kasi it has a lot of features that you can avail. Energy saver, if 35 minutes nyo na po siyang hindi nagamit, it automatically shuts off. It has tourmaline diamond infused titanium plates, which is very good for protecting our hair. You can have a conditioner-like touch of hair after using the flat iron. If you want to buy this one, just click on my description box the link kung saan ito pwede mabili either from Shopee or Lazada. Actually, canvas po ako sa mall, sa department store, and alam nyo ba na super mahal po ng ganitong hair straightener doon. Kasi this one is a titanium plate. It ranges from 5,000 to 7,000 po. At alam nyo ba na super sulit po talaga ito. Swak na swak sa inyong mga budget. This only costs 2,000 pesos. Kasi meron pong sale during that time. Abang-abang lang kayo dyan parate para makikita nyo ang mga sales at maka-avail kayo. This one actually costs 3,000 above. I don't know the exact amount, 3,500 or 3,900. But nag-sale sila at nabili ko lang siya ng 2,000 something. Hindi po aabot ng 2,100. For that silky smooth, frizz-free, shiny hair, only MAC Hair Styling MC2098 can do this hair magic. Thank you for watching. See you on my next one. Bye!